Hello. 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 You're pretty. Water. Water.
Want some water?
Water? Come here.
I will buy this bird. How much is this beast?
I like $3,000.
Please.
You want some water?
Ask him how much he is, Nicole.
How much are you?
How much you cost?
I think straight up went $4 grand.
More than you earn in a year. Hello.
We make $12,000 a year.
Hello. Hello.
Hey, you're sexy. You're a hey, bird.
Everybody went, don't touch me.
I think he's Spanish.
I think it's a frog. It sounds like it's
His raised by Mexican. Hey, bird, you're sexy. You gonna say back?
Say?
I don't know.
Thank you.
Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Yeah, you're pretty.
But this thing talks.
It does. How you gonna find an animal that talks? This is so awesome. I'm buying this bird.
Say agua. He's Mexican. See? Told you.
Hello.
Agua.
Hello. Hello.
I just said I was. This is so freaking awesome.
Hello. Hello. Hey. Hello. What you doing?
Bird is so awesome, dude. I want this bird. This bird is so cool.
Hello. 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 Hello.
Hello, bird.
Hello.
How you doing? Little sexy thing.
Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Pretty bird.
What? Fucking shit.
Because what nigga?
Hey, bird. He's talking smack about you.
Hey, Gator.
Hey, don't say mean names to the bird.
You bird. Fuck you. He said you're pretty.
Say something.
Hello? Say something about a fro.
His lady's got a fro.
He's got a fro hog.
If I had a bird, I'd give him a fro hawk.